everyone, I'm Bolupe Kowell and welcome to Teen Mom Africa. I became a mom at 17 and that is a moment that completely changed my life. Over the years, I've faced challenges, battled stereotypes, and learned lessons that shaped me into who I am today. This channel is my way of sharing my story and helping others. Whether you are a teen mom, a young mom navigating life, or someone who loves real inspiring stories, you are in the right place. On this channel, I will be sharing my personal journey as a teen mom, lessons I wish I knew before becoming a mom, how I handled stigma and low self-esteem, tips for young women to stay empowered, real talk about love, relationships, and society's expectations. And again, fun and heartfelt stories from my life, my family, and even a few laughs about motherhood. I'm here to inspire, I'm here to educate, and to remind you that no matter what life throws at you, you can rise above it and thrive. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you won't miss a single video. I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. Welcome to Teen Mom Africa, where we keep it real, relatable, and always inspiring. Let's rewrite the narratives together. Bye.